The other big case we've been following also in court today, a 10-year-old boy shot and killed. The sheriff's department says another 10-year-old boy is responsible, but that boy's father is the one facing the charges, and that boy is not being detained. He's back at home. But the man's father appeared in court today, and KCRA 3's Danica Hill has been following this story for us. So, Danica, what happened inside the courtroom today?
Yeah, Lisa, today was supposed to be a bond hearing for Arquette Davis, but Davis is in the Sacramento County Jail currently right now without bond. He does have a new attorney, and because he has a new attorney in this case, she requested that that bond hearing be moved to next week. Davis is facing several firearm-related charges, child endangerment charges, an accessory after the fact, and a charge of destroying evidence. He's not facing a murder charge in this case. Now, inside of the courtroom, Davis stood inside the cell, not really giving off much emotion on either way. And the family of the boy who was killed, 10-year-old Keith Frierson, or KJ as they call him, were also inside of the courtroom today. Now, following court, Frierson's family held a press conference, and here's what KJ's mother had to say.
The only reason I'm standing right here right now today is to get y'all to feel me and understand that this is not okay. This is not okay. I want everyone to care. I do not want y'all to sit back. I don't want people to sit back and just allow my baby to become somebody that was maybe in the wrong place at the wrong time. He was in the right place. He was playing. He was in his yard with his friends, riding a bike. This should not have happened. This should not have happened.
Now, Davis is set to be back in court next Wednesday, and the family of Frierson is expected to meet with the district attorney's office as well next week to discuss why the 10-year-old in this case wasn't charged. KJ's mother says she will do whatever it takes to get justice for KJ. Here in downtown Sacramento, Danica Hill, KCRA 3 News.
You can clearly understand and feel her pain in losing her 10-year-old son. Danica, thank you so much for updating us on this story. The Sacramento County Sheriff's Office initially arrested Davis and his son after the shooting. Investigators believe the son got a gun from Davis's vehicle, and Davis tried to get rid of the gun after the fact, which was reported stolen back in 2017. As I mentioned earlier, his son, the other 10-year-old boy, has been released and is back home.